In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix OkCupid general authorization error. So if you're also having that exact same problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I did firstly is that I closed my OkCupid app in here, as you can see, and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And in here on my settings app, I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general. So on the general page here, I scrolled down once again and then I clicked on storage. And in here, I just waited a couple of seconds for this page to completely load all of the apps that I have on my phone. You will be able to see all of the apps down here when it's done, as you can see. But now we're going to swipe up and click on search here instead. Search for OkCupid here and click on the app. Now click on offload app. And once again, click on offload app in here. We're just going to wait and then click on the reinstall app button, as you can see. Now you're just going to simply wait for your OkCupid app to completely update to its latest version. And then when it's done, you're going to go back to the app and you're going to try once again. And hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.